How you doing, guys? Dragon Man here. I'm at the car show over here, and I brought my street legal dragster. Pretty cool, huh? If I brought one of my other hot rods, it would just blend in with everybody else, you know? I wouldn't be different. I like to be different, because I'm the Dragon Man. Okay, hey, follow me. Let's look around a little bit. How you doing? Okay, there's probably easy over 200 cars here right now. Oh yeah, we're making a video here. And what was your name again? Judy. I sold Judy this hot rod last year, and she pulled the Ford motor out, put a Chevy motor in, right?
Very good.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
All right, we're with the rail.
Yeah. How come people put Chevy motors in Fords?
Built Ford tough with Chevy stuff.
Right. There you go. Yeah. Judy doesn't like to get stuck.
I don't like to get stuck in a flathead, no.
There's a guy with a hot rod over here.
Okay.
Ford hot rod.
Yeah.
Okay, Judy, I'll talk to you later. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're open tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Yeah.
Make American National Collector Car Insurance.
Okay, guys, you've got all these cars.
They won't shop anymore because
Everything
they
you
have
can
the
think of is here.
deal.
Hey,
The
Dragon
best
Man.
deal.
Yep, these are some old hot rod guys from the 60s. They never grew up, just like
If
me.
you're driving a new one, classic. Like say
Hey, let's go down here a little bit.
Corvette. They have
Beautiful truck. And of course,
American National Collector.
34 Ford.
Remember, they've been around since.
How's it going? Good.
That's life. Hey, you can call them toll-free.
There we go. Lots and lots of hot rods here. A lot of pretty cars. I don't see a lot of pretty girls. I guess they all stayed home this morning. All right, follow me. Boy, that's a nice flame job. Got a few 55 Chevys. How you guys doing?
How's it going? Good.
Good. Beautiful day today.
Yeah.
Okay, over here we got beautiful cars and beautiful women. These are all guys, are old hot rod guys from the 60s. They never grew up, just like me.
You're too good.
Okay, guys, yeah, check out those pickups over here. Hey, this one's made out of look like a tow truck. Yeah, pretty cool idea. See that? And everybody's having a good time. Check out that 55 Chevy. Yep. Very nice.
God dang, buddy. What's up, brother?
Hey, we got an early Corvette here. How you doing?
How's the range?
Beautiful 56.
Thanks.
Okay, guys. Well, anyway, I'm going to hop in my street legal dragster, and I'm going to cruise around the parking lot. You know me. I love to show off. You guys have a great day. Hope you liked the video.